Why do you use herbal extracts in your formulas?
So all my formulas, when I could use an extract, I use an extract, and this is the reason why. There's a study done that shows turmeric, that even in the highest quality powder might only have 1
to 3%.
to 3% curcuminoid. So what makes turmeric so amazing at reducing inflammation? It's curcuminoids. That's the main ingredient, right? So if curcuminoids are the main ingredient reducing inflammation, and you buy this big jar of powder and only has 1% curcuminoids, then really you're not getting much of the active ingredient that reduces the inflammation. All herbs function that way. Everything has an active constituent that really makes that herb super powerful. So my joint formula, I use a turmeric that's standardized at 95% curcuminoids. My resilient immune system booster, I'm using astragalus extract, olive leaf extract, oil oregano extract, and echinacea extract. So whenever I can use an extract to really guarantee that the person isn't just getting a powder, that they're actually getting the true constituents that make that herb so special, I'm going to do that.